Attention, direct mail marketers. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, please. Great news! Have you ever envisioned the ideal business in a box? Well, the moment has arrived, and it's now known as the unlimited crazy cash cow postcard system. Say goodbye to antiquated flyer programs that yield nothing in return for your hard-earned money. No more MLM tactics and the exasperation of unproductive network marketing schemes. No boss, no computer needed, and no bugging friend or family. Our program's unique concept is designed to provide a steady cash flow of mailbox cash money, 200, 400, or 600 stamps directly into your mailbox. Consider this: a consistent flow of both money and stamps. Plus, think about the savings on stamps every time someone joins through your flyer or postcard. From our $200 package, with 200 free full data leads, 200 free stamps, $1,000 in grocery coupon, and $1,000 in fast food coupons of your choice. You can't lose with the coupons you choose. $400 package with 400 free full data leads, 400 free stamps, $1,000 in grocery coupon, and $1,000 in fast food coupons of your choice. Alternatively, you can elevate your experience to the elite $600 package, featuring 600 complimentary full data leads, 600 stamps, $1,000 in grocery coupon, $1,000 in fast food coupons, and an incredible 3-day, 2-night trip. This extraordinary $600 level awaits you. Every stride is a bound toward your success. There's nothing quite like this in any other flyer or postcard program, period. If you've got the simple skill of placing a stamp on a postcard or envelope, then this business is your golden ticket. Harness the power of our extensive full data leads list, pinpointing individuals poised to invest in authentic opportunities. Acquire their names, addresses, email addresses, and cell phone numbers. Imagine 5 people joining under you at the base $200 level. That's a cool $1,000. Scale it up, and you're looking at figures as staggering as $100,000 annually. No supervisor peering over your shoulder, no mandatory requirements. Work at your convenience, not by someone else's schedule. Revel in the newfound freedom you've discovered. Just your dedication and our revolutionary system. You can't fail unless you do nothing. In just a week, I've made over $4,500. This isn't just a business. It's a revolution, and it's booming. Don't be left behind. Step into the future of direct mail marketing. Dial or text 346-704-1754 now. And if we're swamped helping others like you, leave a message and the purpose of your call. We commit to responding promptly. You can also explore our website at www.allyourmoney.net. Starting is a breeze. Visit www.allyourmoney.net. Select your preferred flyer or postcard, print it, complete the details, and mail it in. It's that straightforward. May God bless and safeguard you. Call or text 346-704-1754 now.